Hello, hello, and welcome back to Jody Lewis Creations. In today's video, we are going to do an unboxing. So, I had some stamps in my cart on Amazon, and I had seen somebody that was unboxing from this particular company, and I was like, I wonder how that works. So, I actually emailed the company and I said, hey, or would you be interested in having like a brand ambassador? Now, granted, I've never used these products. I have no idea what they're like. So we are going to do an unboxing in this video. Down below, you'll see all the links to the items that are in this package. Then after this video, there will be upcoming two videos where we use items that are in this package. So that's where we're going to start. So let's see what I got. And it's kind of interesting because a couple of the things that I had initially said, they were out of stock on. So it took me a really long time to be able to get these 4 items. So 2 of these were not my first choice. And because of the delay, you will see that's a little late for one of them, but that's okay. We will still make something with it. So this is a set of dies, and it doesn't have a description on this, and we'll talk about this in a second. So this is from Globeland, and so you will see on like Amazon, these are Globeland. You've seen them on Amazon. Hey, and I had wanted the big ticket set. I'd had it in my cart for a really long time, and then when this was an option, I was like, oh, okay. So this one is the mushroom like ticket type things. They're mushroom stamps, and I thought that would be really fun for a woodland project. I was thinking maybe the big red balloon adventure, that the mushrooms with the kids chasing the balloon, these might be fun to use for elements on pages or something like that. So definitely something we're going to look at. And then there's this set that is a sewing set, which I love. I love the dress frame, the vintage sewing machine, of course, I love that. The embroidery, the pin cushion, just a lot of really fun little elements to use on for decorating or whatever. The love you, that to me, I'm not sure, unless you're just saying I love you because I'm putting all this work into a project for you. But anyway, I really like these, so I'm curious to see how these are going to stamp. And then this is the one that I'm like, well, it's a little late for this one to come in, but I think it'll still be fun to play with. It's a Christmas set. It's got some poinsettias, a couple of Santas, some children here. So we'll see how they stamp. I don't know. I've not had their products. I have never used their products, like I said, so we will see how this plays out. There's also a set of dies here, and I don't even remember now because it's taken a little while. Oh yeah, the film strips, so I thought those would be fun. Here's this, which I think is like going to be like a little folder that's going to allow us to have a window in it. So I think that will be cool. It looks like a little label here. And then I'm trying to see, oh, that says specimen. So this is like for a specimen slide. Okay. And then here is another little that's going to fold in half where we'll be able to have a window in it. So I think those are going to be fun to play with. And again, in the bottom, you will see a link, a description, a paragraph in the description box below that is going to have a 10% off code if you use it. And that's specific to me. So if you do go check it out, please make sure you use that code to save yourself 10%. And yeah, so we'll come back in another video and play with these stamps. Now, interesting is, I will say, this one I know because this was one I had picked out on Amazon, as well as the ticket one, which I'm hoping they'll get back in stock. But I will tell you that when I was looking at their website and looking at the cost with shipping versus what it was listed for on the other site, it was still less money through here. And I'm sure that's going to depend on where you live. But anyway, so I'm looking forward to being able to play with a couple of these things and make a couple of projects. And so they said 3 videos, an unboxing video, which is what this is, plus 2 tutorials. Now we know how my tutorials tend to go. I will try really hard to be well planned, have my stuff together and in order, so that way we can actually do a tutorial and play with these things. However, there is something that says, let's just play with the product and see how we like it. So, you know, I'm going to be real and true to me, and that's how we're going to do this. So, okay, well, that's the business, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for joining me. Bye.